In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and replace text in PowerPoint. This can be a great time saver when you're working with large presentations and need to make consistent updates across multiple slides. Let's dive right in, and I'll guide you through the process step by step. First, you'll need to open the Microsoft PowerPoint file in which you want to make these changes. Once you have your file open, look for the Home tab on the ribbon at the top of your screen. It's one of the main tabs and should be right there alongside Insert Design and several others. Once you're on the Home tab, direct your attention to the far right section known as the Editing group. This is where you'll find the Replace button, which is the key feature we're going to use to find and replace text. Click on that Replace button, and it will open up the Find and Replace dialog box. In this dialog box, you will see two fields, one labeled Find What and the other labeled Replace With. In the Find What field, type in the exact text you are looking to change throughout your presentation. Perhaps it's a company name that recently updated its branding, or maybe you've noticed a recurring typo that needs fixing. Whatever it is, just type it exactly as it appears in your slides. Next, move to the Replace With field. Here, you'll enter the updated text or correction you want to implement. Make sure you double check what you've entered. It's much better to catch any mistakes now than to have to go through the process again later. After you've inputted both the text to find and the text to replace it with, you have two options. If you want to review each change one by one, you can use the Replace button. This will allow you to individually confirm each replacement, so it's a good choice if you only plan to replace some of the instances of your text or if you just want to be particularly careful. But if you're confident about your changes and want to apply them all at once, you can use the Replace All button. This is a fantastic time saver because it will automatically replace every occurrence of your text throughout the entire presentation in one swift action. And that's it. You've successfully found and replaced text in your PowerPoint presentation. This process can greatly streamline your workflow, especially in larger projects where manual changes would be tedious. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.